Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 of the best makeup bags with LED mirror that are trending on Amazon in 2024. Let's start with this AMIRO 2 LumoCube makeup mirror with bag is a versatile 2-in-1 beauty essential. Combining a makeup mirror with a spacious organizer, it features 3 light colors and 5 brightness levels for perfect lighting. Ideal for travel, its waterproof design ensures your cosmetics stay secure. Available in white and pink, the bag is priced at $127 with a 20% discount and a $40 coupon. With 147 reviews and over 200 sold last month, customers love its practicality and elegant style, with free shipping and returns through Prime. Next up, the travel makeup bag with LED mirror features a super bright mirror surrounded by adjustable LED lights with 3 color modes, ensuring perfect visibility for makeup application. It's ideal for travel, offering separate storage for cosmetics and jewelry. With a rechargeable 1200 milliamp hour battery, it runs for up to 7 hours on a single charge. Available in white and green, it's priced affordably at $19. Over 100 units have been sold in the past month, and customers appreciate its convenience and high-quality build, making it a reliable travel accessory. Again, the Calalari Travel Makeup Train Case with lighted mirror offers a sturdy structure with high-quality ABS material and an aluminum frame for superior protection and durability. Featuring a 4K mirror with 3 adjustable color lights and a large capacity, it provides organized storage for all your cosmetics. Its portable size makes it perfect for travel or home use. Available in white and 8 other colors, it's priced at $69 with a 4.4-star rating from 91 reviews. Customers love its durability, spaciousness, and adjustable mirror for flawless makeup application. Next, the travel makeup bag with 360-degree rotating LED mirror is crafted from high-quality leather with a luxurious lychee pattern. It features a built-in 360-degree rotating LED mirror with 3 brightness settings for flawless makeup application in any light. Waterproof, stain-proof, and designed with adjustable dividers for organized storage. This bag is available in pink, beige brown, coffee pink, and brown. Priced at $29 with a 19% discount, it has earned a perfect 5-star rating from 23 reviews, with over 100 units sold last month. Customers love its sleek design, practicality, and durable quality. Last but not least, the Makeup Travel Train Case with mirror LED light is a versatile and stylish cosmetic case featuring an adjustable mirror with 3 light modes, perfect for achieving flawless makeup on the go. Made from premium waterproof synthetic leather, it's durable and wear-resistant. The case includes customizable compartments for organizing beauty essentials. Available in pink and 14 other colors, it's priced at $39 with a 50% discount. Rated 4.6 stars from over 590 reviews. Customers praise its portability, sleek design, and practicality, making it a must-have for frequent travelers. Well, that is for today's video, a roundup of the top 5 makeup bags with LED mirror that you must go on today. Whether you prioritize durability, style, luxury, or functionality, there's something here for everyone. Check the description for links to each product, and happy shopping!